Okay.
So you were working here?
Yeah, the means money the car wash, como 2 days ago. That's the Jesus in the video. They got a picture. That I put the pictures in the video. That's the smoking down. They got my phone down. I stand like that. I see no more pictures.
So you saw it, and you were trying to take pictures, and then it went away after
Yeah.
you took a few pictures on the street. So nobody else saw it? besides
Nobody,
you?
nobody, only.
Do you think it means anything? Is it a sign of anything? Or just,
Sign?
like, do you think you seeing Virgin Mary and Jesus means anything?
Yeah, that's my. 115 people coming like this. I see my picture, people crying.
Really?
The old ladies, old men is coming, people crying. That's this is the mother of Jesus. Only one for 1 minute, no, 1.5 minutes, no more. Blow it up.
Ask if he's a spiritual man.
Do you, are you a spiritual man, very religious?
Spirit?
Yeah. Are you very spiritual, or are you very religious?
No, I got that's my free like this.
But do you go to church a lot? Or?
Yeah, I go to my family go to church. 6 months ago, that's a guy got an accident like that, and the cost string. That's the middle float down the string. My left stuck in the tire of the car. I see the same picture.
Wow.
Some people that's go in the big car. The old lady, or they say, oh, and she said, I got a. They put the hand in my lap. He said, oh, you feel good. You feel good. They say, I feel the Jesus in the front and then from the car. It's the same picture.
What is your name?
My name is Alex Leiva.
Can you spell your last name?
German.
Okay. And you're an employee here. All right.
I'm working for 13 years here.
13 years. So it wasn't the first time then that you saw that picture. You've seen it before.
I've seen it before. And then here I've seen it before. But not the first time.
Okay.
Como 6 months ago, that's a guy got an accident like that, and the cost string. That's the middle float down the string. My left stuck in the tire of the car. I see the same picture.
Wow.
Some people that's go in the big car. The old lady. Yeah, that's my. 115 people coming like this. I see my picture, people crying.
Really?
The old ladies, old men is coming, people crying. That's this is the mother of Jesus. Only one for 1 minute, no, 1.5 minutes, no more. Blow it up.
Ask if he's a spiritual man.
Do you, are you a spiritual man, very religious?
Spirit?
Yeah. Are you very spiritual, or are you very religious?
No, I got that's my free like this.
But do you go to church a lot? Or?
Yeah, I go to my family go to church. Down, I stand like that. I see no more pictures.
So you saw it, and you were trying to take pictures, and then it went away after
Yeah.
you took a few pictures on the street. So nobody else saw it? besides
Nobody,
you?
nobody, only.
Do you think it means anything? Is it a sign of anything? Or just,
Sign?
like, do you think you seeing Virgin Mary and Jesus means anything?
Okay.
So you were working here?
Yeah,
Morning?
the means money the car wash. Como 2 days ago.
Okay.
That's the Jesus in the video. They got a picture. That I put the pictures in the video. That's the smoking down. They got my phone.